I'm Dale with Edwards Garage, and today I'd like to show you a 2021 GMC Denali we have, 3500 HD. This has got the Duramax Turbo 6.6 liter diesel in it. Thing's in great shape, 36,000 kilometers on it. You probably can't see it in the pictures, but it's got the 3M paint protection on the front, or the Expel we call it. It's all on the front. Power trailering mirrors. It's got the bright polished aluminum rims, chrome running boards on it. The Denali comes automatically with a spray and box liner. This one also has the fifth wheel prep package, multi-pro tailgate, sunroof, power sliding back window. It's nice and clean back there, no scratches or marks, dented up at all. Paint to match bumpers on it. And we'll step inside and I'll show you a little bit of the interior on it here now too. So here we are inside. This truck's all leather interior. It's got heated and cooled seats in it. Rear seats are heated as well. Sunroof, power sliding back window. It's got the Bose speaker system in it. The sound is unreal in these trucks. Complete level radio there with the built-in navigation, embedded navigation in it. This truck's equipped with the auto track transfer case, so you can actually use it in four-wheel drive, or you can put it in auto mode where it'll switch by itself as needed. Really nice for highway driving. It's easy peace of mind, nothing to worry about that way. The truck has memory seats in it, wireless phone charging in it, built-in trailer brake control, engine brake. It's got a power point up front here, 400 watts. There's also a plug-in in the back box, another 400 watts. If you had something you wanted to plug in back there, you can definitely do it. Truck has heated steering wheel in these cold days, especially today. Pretty nice feature. Heads-up display, which won't show up in the picture. It's got a rear camera mirror. So the rear view mirror actually turns into a streaming video camera. So it's taking pictures milliseconds apart and showing them on the mirror here. Makes it for a very clear resolution. Got built-in garage door opener, so you can go up to 3 doors, gates, whatever you have. You don't have to run around with a bunch of remotes in your pocket. The truck can program to all of that stuff. If you want to have a closer look at this truck, come on down to Edwards Garage. I'm Dale Smith, and I'd love to take you for a test drive in it.